What is up, everybody? Happy Tuesday evening. Bogey Breaks with 6 boxes of 24-25 totally certified premium. Looking for one autograph, two mem, most of which is for the vets anyway, game worn. And we're expecting about 10 numbered cards per box. Let's move those back there. Good luck, everybody. Your base, Siakam, Thompson, certified bucket, Trae Young, and a red. Color match, Scotty Barnes for the Raptors going to the cereal. Howdy, Kendall. That is 75 of 149 going to the 5-spot Rhodey. Big Kareem and Dylan Jones rookie. Kendall walks in right as a Scotty Barnes red color match hits. We got Beal, Mobley, Gold Team, Wemby, pink die cut, D-Book, I believe that is MD in the Suns. 124 of 125, Bub, Carrington, rookie, and Rui. Sabonis, Jabari. We got one of the graffiti 2024s. That is Ron Holland. Pistons did go to KP. Your one per box base card. Jalen Johnson and rookie Larissa Sher for the Hawks. What's going on, Mr. Sargent? Valanciunas, Deontay, another, nope, that's the mighty Paul George. Anthony Simons, camo for Swift and his Blazers. That should be to 25. 25 of 25. The Dream and Nico Topic, rookie for the Thunder. Yimmy, Sohan, Gold Team, Kawhi. We got a blue, Jacoby Walter for the Raptors going to the cereal. 93 of 99, that's X-Ray. Larry Legend and AD. Well, these are real easy to figure out. How we save all the thick cards for the end. Save the thickies for the end. Closing time. Lowry. Rudy. And a Tijan Salon for the Hornets. Card number 9. John Stockton for the Jazz. Cereal pink die cut. That is 25 of 125. Ryan Dunn and Chef. Simmons, Whitmore, the mighty Alexander Sarr. Julius Randle, purple die cut. 8 of 49 for Paul and the Wolves. Jalen Duren and Dominique. Maxey. Jalen. That is a DeMar DeRozan fabric of the game. For the Kings, that's part of the cereal. 82 of 125. And that is game worn. 2 spot is X-Ray. We got a red Valanciunas, what everyone's chasing, 37 of 149. Yves Missy for the Pels, card 139. And Brandon Ingram. We'll do most of the top loading after the fact. Base non-premium, Bronny. Jalen Williams. AJ Mitchell. Jaime. Booker and good Lord, the chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. Tyler Kolek. 95 of 99. That's going to be not associated, make it look cool. Well, it's rare in this, but I have a feeling the Megas and Blasters are going to be nothing but the base. So, not really a gimmick in that respect. I think all of these, instead of calling them silver, I think they're calling these the platinum. So, Ivy, the Worm, we got Keyshawn George, rookie, Darius Garland, Cade Cunningham, and your going to be a RPA. It is not an RPA, just a thick camo X-ray Dalton Connect. $10 of 25. No Nick Anderson, no Dennis Smith. Weak sauce. They're weird. These are like 120s. We'll stick Dalton right there. Was it really, Matt? They numbering those on the front this year? Ah. So you knew it was gold. Gotcha. Alvarado, KD. Reed Shepard, gold team. Jamal Shed. Koulibaly and Melo. So this pack's just going to be every card is. Nice, man. Congrats. Scoot. Alsar. Dilly for no age. Maxey Dr. J and Cam Christie for the Clippers, card 158. Triple J, Zach LaVine. The Mighty, SGA. Purple die cut. Russ West had a farm. 17 of 49 for the Nugs. Cason Wallace and Bronny Platinum. Cade LeBronda. Certified Bucket Blue Wemby. Jersey match. First one stamped 1 of 49. It's a nice one, KP. Gobert, Spida, and Tristan Da Silva for the Magic. Devin Vassell. Scary Terry. Certified Bucket LeBronda. And a red Paolo. 116 of 149. Stephon Castle and Bogdan. Tobias. Kuz. Jalen Wells for the Grizz. 2024. Purple die cut CP3 for the Spurs. 16 of 49. Shaq Diesel and AJ Johnson for the Bucks. D Rose, Nemhard, the Mighty Ja Morant, pink die cut Malik Monk for the Kings. Woof, 51 of 125. Tijane and Ant-Man. Now the hits. Got a red De'Aaron Fox for the Kings, a cereal. 146 of 149. Sexton, Isaiah, Jaden, Michael, Klay Thompson, game worn for the Mavs. As Gabeful, 16 of 99 on Klay. Jaylen Brown. Filipowski for the Jazz. Card 163. Kobe. Desmond Bain. Derek White. And rookie roll call blue for the Wiz, Bub Carrington. Where's our RPAs? That is 10 of 35 on Bub. It's 10 of 25 on Connect. Ironic. Alright, let's see something patchy. For the Rockets, Freddie V, orange, 39 of 75. D Wade, Jonathan Mogbo, Jaylen Brown, Darius Garland, and oh, Paulie. Dilly Dilly, 3-color, fabric of the game. 78 of 125. I don't know, call me a sucker. Give me multicolored patches. Or vet 1-color game worn. Best of both worlds in this. Yo, PC88. What's up, Mose? PG, Julius Randle. Got a 2024 recess share for the Hawks. Scotty Barnes base. Bronny number 3 and Julius Irving. Dr. J. Lively. De'Aaron Fox. Certified bucket. T-Wolves. Stay hitting. That is a red 20 of 99 for Ant-Man. Tristan Da Silva and Cason Wallace. They're they're going for about $230 on eBay now. But I mean, 1 auto, 1 game used vet patch usually, and 1 rookie for the price. Washington, Karl Anthony Towns. Gold team, Ja Morant. Pink die cut. Miss Carey. X-Ray Tech, 100 of 125 on the Connect. Shaq and AJ Johnson. This kid's been going off. Quentin Grimes. We have 46 yesterday. D'Lo. 2024 graffiti. That is KP. Stephon Castle. KD, pink die cut for the Suns. 006 of 125. Tajane and Ant-Man. Amen. Dylan Brooks. The Mighty Luka. Red. Why not? Another red Ant-Man. Same box. Base this time. 40 of 149. Stephon Castle and Bogdan. Dame. Keegan. Certified bucket, Kyrie. Blue, Miles Bridges. Hornets is Serial. Is 92 of 99. Koulibaly and Mello. DDR. Nurkic. Gold team, Bub Carrington. I think we got one of the Zenith, one of the Z teams. Z team for the Thunder, SGA. Not numbered. Tough pulls. Shaden Sharp and Cam Christie. Red Nurkic for the Suns should be to 149. It is. Paul Pierce. There's a Zach Edey, first Edey sighting. Jamal Murray. Jalen Green. Certified Baller, Dejounte Murray. 49 of 75, game worn. Going to the Pelicans, serial filler. Again, that was 49. 9 spot is X-ray. One of these is going to be chunky. Ron Holland. That looks gold for the Suns. MD. Finally pulled you a KD Suns card. 6 of 10. Mogbo. Mitchell, Cam Thomas. Vooch. Fabric of the game. Cute little 3-color for the Hornets going to the serial. Tijane Salon. 22 of 49. 2 spot is X-ray. And I saw an auto peek out on the, which is why I switched up and saved that pack for last. You get an auto, try to save it. Duran Holmes for the Nuggies. That's Dutes. Blue. 89 of 99. Luka. D-Wade. Suggs. Anthony Black. And Gold Team auto. Red. Bang. For the Grizz. At Bright. Ja Morant. 33 of 49. Excuse me for just one moment. Sorry about that, y'all. Had to grab a water. All right, that is halfway through the break. No complaints from me so far. Good to see some of the top chase teams. Let's see, Grizz just got that Ja Morant. Lakers got the Connect auto. Spurs got the got that Wemby blue. It's not complete consolation, but box number 4, Scoot, Alsar, Kling Kong, 2024 Graffiti, and pink die cut. Steve Nash for the Suns. Suns low-key get a lot of cards for being the Suns. 33 of 125 on Nash. Dr. J and Cam Christie. Triple J, Zach LaVine. The Mighty, Steph. Interesting, with just a base. No. Cason Wallace and Bronny, no numbered card in that pack. Cade, LeBron, the Mighty, Trae Young. Huh. So this Trae is a blue. 46 of 49. Hawks, Serial going to the 6th spot. Zion, Mitchell, and Da Silva. Well, that's a reach, Paul. Even you don't believe that. Alvarado, KD, Gold Team, Drew Holiday. Giant crease, what? You're not talking about the tray because that's the imprint of the image on the front. If that's what you're referencing. They all have that because they're stamped. Gold Team Drew. Pink Dyke. Another. See, they all have it. Another Phoenix Sun numbered card. To 125. Put together the whole roster in pink die cuts. Koulibaly and Carmelo. D Rose, Nemhard, the Mighty, Giannis, and orange, Darius Garland for the Cavs. That is Serial. (26 of 75) to Jana and Ant-Man. Vassell, Scary Terry, Certified Bucket, Stephon Castle, and a red, nice color match Dream for the Rockets, 70 of 149. Castle again, and Bogdan. Tobias, Kuzma, Zach Edey, Big Man Graffiti. Jaime, Shaq, and AJ Johnson. It's going to be light on numbered cards in this box compared to the others. Stop me if you've heard this before. Color Sun, KD Red, 140 of 149. Colin Sexton, Isaiah Thomas, Jaden Ivey. Mikal Bridges. Fabric of the game. Brandon Miller. For the Hornets. 80 of 99 going to the 0 and Tui. And that is game worn. For the Wiz, blue Kaishan George. 40 of 99. Filipowski. Kobe. Desmond Bain. Derek White. And what do we have here? Freshman Fabric. Good night. Yves Misi, this should be the 75. 3-color with the threads all hanging out. Serial filler. 55 of 75. 5 spot is Rhodey. It's about time we saw an RPA at least. Baylor Shireman. There you go, Rhodey. You like the non-silver. D. Wade. Mogbo. Jalen. Darius Garland. And fabric of the game. Nice little 3-color for Khalil Ware. Heat. Serial. 53 of 75. 3 spot is X-Ray. What's up, Swifty? No clinging noteworthy. Insert whatnot. Nothing to write home about on Kling Kong yet. We just got through box 4. So far, the big vet auto was Ja Morant. Two boxes left. All right, Max, if I do, you have to go live and do the Dream Shake, though. Them's the rules. Wemby. Draymond. 2024 graffiti. You can't script this. Blue Clean. $35 of 49 for Swift. Behind that, for the cereal, pink Researcher die cut. $108 of 125. 8 spot is X-Ray. Mitchell and Da Silva. Beard, Josh Hart. The Mighty, Tijane. Blue, Malcolm Brogdon for the Wiz. Yay, 59 of 99. D. Wade and Jonathan Mogboat for the Raps. Brandon Miller, Tyler 0. Certified Bucket Connect. And a red Cason Wallace for the Thunder. 85 of 149. Zach Edey with an absolutely wrecked corner. And Luka. Keegan. Dylan Brooks. The Mighty SGA. That looks like it could be a parallel. It is for the Thunder. 11 of 25 at Bright. And purple die cut CP3 behind that for the Spurs. 22 of 49. Cody Williams and Jordan Clarkson. Drew Holiday, Grady Dick. Gold team, Alexander Sarr. Non-numbered, or non-anything, Wiggins. In so many ways, Jared Allen and Paul Pierce. Strange pack. PJ Washington, Big Cat. Khalil Ware, 2024 Graffiti. And a blue Yao Ming for the Rockets. 17 of 99. And Jalen Tyson, rookie. Big Q. D'Lo. Wemby, the Mighty. This looks like it's also numbered to 25. It's not. What am I missing compared to the... Oh, the SGA was gold. Okay. Never mind. Wemby, the Mighty. Dillingham, base. Khalil Ware and Aaron Gordon. I was looking at the background, not the lettering. It kind of had the camo. Oh, yeah, that camo's buried back there behind the actual design. Drew Holiday. Julius Erving. Cam Christie. D-Book. Jimmy Buckets. And we're going to Sandbag, a freshman fabric. That Jayhawk has not shown his face yet, Bird. Although you probably just summoned him. Nurkic. Dame. God. For the Pistons. KP, Fabric of the Game, Ron Holland. Got two colors in there. 59 of 125. Oubre, pink die cut for the Sixers. 38 of 125. Melo and the glove. Let's find that TikToker. Mount Zion. Jaime. Kyrie, Fabric of the Game. 67 of 75, game worn. Miles Bridges, red for the Hornets. 81 of 149. Kaysen and Bronny. And our freshman fabric, purple. For the Pistons, Bobby Clintman going to KP. 22 of 49. One more box left. All-American, are you still in here? You still got 6 boxes? I thoroughly enjoy this stuff. I'm in a break with some random guy on Instagram that... Karate, did that go yet or not? Keegan, Dylan Brooks, Gold Team, Alexander Sarr, Blue, Jaylen Brown for the C's, 35 of 99, Duran and Neek. Nurkic, Lillard, Khalil Ware, pink die cut, Colin Sexton for the Jazz going to the cereal, 25 of 125, Kareem and Dylan Jones, rookie. Ugh, premium sets. Rip and grade, man. Rip and grade. Randall, DDR, Wemby, the Mighty, Timmy D, Bub Carrington, and Rui. De'Aaron, PG. Gold Team, red, Alexander Sarr, 75 of 99, and Filipowski green for the Jazz. Two of 5, 2 is X-Ray. This weird dude does sell. Filipowski, 2 of 5. Jalen Johnson and Risa Share. Risa Share base are 144. Q, D'Lo, certified bucket, Connect, red, Bobby Clintman to 149, Ryan Dunn and Steph. Drew, Dick, Nico Topic, blue, Jalen Tyson for the Cavs. That's filler. 63 of 99. Worm and Kaishan George. I am trying, Throtty. I am trying, my guy. PJ Walsh. Cat. The Mighty. Dejane. Pink die cut, Marcus Smart. For the Grizz. 61 of 125, Yves Missy and Brandon Ingram. All right, we've got our 3 thick cards left in the break. I appreciate y'all joining filling this up. It's a fun product for the money, in my opinion, unless you haven't hit yet, in which case you think otherwise and hate me. So. For the Bucks, A.J. Johnson, orange /75. Tyler Smith, Lou Dort, Beard, Josh Hart, for the Hornets, this dude haunts me. Rookie roll call. $36 of 75 going to the 6th spot. Congrats, I think, X-Ray. Very subjective, I think. Yeah, it's not just that. It's just everything I open, Swift. This dude is there. Literally there. Sometimes you get that player that chooses you, so to speak. Lillard, red /149. RJ Barrett, Stockton, Brandon Miller, Tyler Hero, and Unicorn, fabric of the game, purple for the C's. Game worn, 20 of 99. You've seen Devin Carter nonstop? Yeah. It's one of those things. Sometimes a player just picks you and follows you around. There you go, Bird. Benedict Mathurin. See if we can hit the jersey number. 38 of 49. So close to the jersey match. Keem, Topic, Vooch, Lively, and last hit of the break. For Paulie, Dilly. 64 of 75. I will top load everything and then do a recap. Anybody that wants to stick around for that. Oh, knocking my own cards over in the process. Always fun. You had me there for a minute, Paul. Had me in the first half, not gonna lie. It's the only rookie patch that wasn't multicolor. I mean, he had multiple. He had 3 color in the other one, so I guess that kind of, if you combine the two, whomever would do such a thing. Don't worry, yes, these will all be top loaded. We'll go through them right quick. A.J. Johnson, Lillard, Mathurin, Sexton, Sarr, Clintman, Tyson, Smart, Brown, Reza Sher, Brogdon, Wallace, Paul, Yao, SGA, Oubre, Bridges, Kling Kong, Nash, Trey, Book, Garland, Keem, Durant, Kaishan, Connect, Durant, Ant-Man, Bridges, Nurkic, Holmes, Ant-Man, Westbrook, Banchero, Paul, Monk, Fox, Van Vliet, Valanciunas, Jacoby, Stockton, Randall, Simons, Booker, and Scotty Barnes. Our low-numbered parallels. Green Filipowski to 5. KD Gold to 10. Wemby, jersey number to 49. Gamers, DDR, Clay, Deontay, Brandon Miller, Zinger, Kyrie. Rookies, Kolick, Dilly Dilly, Salon, Dilly Dilly, Khalil Ware, Ron Holland. Rookie roll call auto, Salon. Bobby Clintman, 3-color RPA. Bub Carrington, roll call, blue. 3-color RPA to 75, Yves Missi. Connect to 25, 10 of 25, auto and gold team to 35. Nope, to 49. Ja Morant for the Grizz. That'll do it. Thank you all so much. Everybody enjoy what's left of your Tuesday night. Have a wonderful Wednesday, rest of the week, and catch me back in the Discord. Till next time, Bogey Breaks. I'll see ya.
Frustrated with not knowing the true sale price of a recent comp? We have you covered. With accurate eBay best offer accepted prices for free. Our super easy to use data lookup tool enables you to remove the clutter and obtain those recent comps. Visit us today at sellthepeak.com. Buy smarter, sell higher.